what's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for today's episode guys, we will be doing a box break or a pack break of the latest 2023-2024 NBA Hoops Hobby Box. So again, featuring the Thompson Twins, and of course, we'll be able to get top rookies, Victor Wembanyama, Scoot Henderson, and Brandon Miller. So for each card, for each box, we'll be able to get 24 packs and then 8 cards per pack. Pero we will not be ripping the entire box, everyone. So you can check this out, Available na siya guys sa ating official Lazada, Shopee, and Cards360 eShop. Just check out Cards360 that store. By the way, available din siya sa ating blaster box. And then stay tuned lang kayo everyone. Soon magiging available din yung winter edition ng blaster box plus the cello pack and the retail box as well. So again, that will be available soon sa mga official stores natin. By the way guys, ongoing yung mga raffles natin. I'll just leave a comment down below para din hindi rin kayo maghintay at mabore sa ating video for today's episode. So again, as mentioned, we will be ripping 2023-2024 NBA Hoops Hobby Box. So let's try to check yung mga possible cards na makukuha natin. Of course, meron tayong pwedeng makuha dito na base back purple, base silver, and then artist proof. And of course, yung presentation, sana makakuha tayo ng Wemby or top rookies dyan. May mga numbers din dito na artist proof, numbered 25 to 10. And then, meron din tayong mga holo and of course, city edition. So again, feel free to pause this part if you would like to read further yung mga pwede nating makuha. So with that said, let's try to rip one today. So hopefully makakuha tayo ng victory guys dito sa hobby box. Again, top rookie for the class of 2023-2024. As always, don't forget to like or subscribe to our channel guys para you'll be able to be notified sa gantong mga product, mga bagong product offerings ni Cards360. And then you'll also get to be notified sa mga ongoing raffles and promo na ginaganap sa ating stores. Alright, so let's try to open. So let's try to rip 1 to 2 packs lang guys para you'll be able to have an idea yung mga possible cards na makuha natin. By the way, available pa lang to guys, single packs for now, single packs muna natin ino-offer, and then eventually by next year mag-o-offer na rin tayo ng box. So this is the pack. So again, 8 cards per pack. So let's check kung ano yung mga pwede nating makuha guys. Alright, so good luck to us. Hopefully makakuha tayo ng magandang Wembanyama or top rookies. Alright, so let's check. May isang insert sa likod. Let's open it. First card, Josh Minnow from the Minnesota Timberwolves. Next card, Kai Jones. Next card is Russell Westbrook. And then Kevin Huerter from the Sacramento Kings. And then we have Jaden Ivey from the Detroit Pistons. Next is Golden State, Moses Moody. And then we have Emoni Bates, rookie card from the Cleveland Cavaliers. For the next card, Pelicans, Jordan Hawkins, anti-gravity rookie card. Ito yung isa sa mga shooter ng New Orleans guys. Sumisikat to lately dahil na injury si CJ McCollum, so nakakakuha siya ng playing time. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yung kanyang career sa New Orleans. At alam natin, Zion is up and down. Of course, Brandon Ingram. Let's open our second pack. Okay. So let's check. So kita na, yung nasa likod. So let's check, Ayan. So for our first card, for the second pack, we have Bradley Beal. Next is Donovan Mitchell. Rookie ba? No. Mitchell Robinson from the New York Knicks. Next card is Sadiq Bey from the Atlanta Hawks. Next card is Jonas Valanciunas from the New Orleans Pelicans. Rookie card, Brandin Odisevsky from the Golden State Warriors. Ito yung nakakakuha ng playing time lately, guys, no? May laro yung bata, pero again, wala pa siyang masyadong confidence. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy yung kanyang playing time. Especially in and out din si Steph lately, no? Due to injuries. Next card is Tribute. Pistons. Rookie ba? No. Rookie. There you go. Asar Thompson. Tribute. Nice card. Yan. Up. Rookie. For this class. Okay, sleeves natin yan, guys. And then, nakita nyo na kanina, nasa likod, no, na anti-gravity, yung kanyang twin brother, of course, Amen Thompson, no, anti-gravity, rookie card from the Houston Rockets. So, ayan, guys. So, again, available na po, no, NBA Hoops 2023-2024 hobby box. Pero, again, for now, available siya per pack. So kindly check out our official Lazada and Shopee stores, and of course Cards 360 eShop. Check them out. And available din siya, guys, no, sa blaster box. And then soon available na yung winter edition nito, cello pack and retail box. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, thank you very much for all your support. Ongoing, no, yung mga raffle natin, guys. Again, leave ko na lang yung link down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.